What is up, everybody? We are live here, reporting on the tropics. We have 91L right here, and that has a 40% chance of formation in the next 5 days. Likely will remain weaker in tropical system. On the other hand, we now have a 80% chance of, actually now 90% chance of cyclone formation in the next 5 days. This one is the one that we need to watch. Still, our 91L over here will still bring tons of rain to Texas and Louisiana. But the main area of concern right now would be for 99L that has left the coast of Africa and will be moving likely into the Gulf within probably 5 days. So take a look here using Tropical Tidbits at first 91L. Unfortunately, I don't know why we don't have any of our spaghetti models out for that, but we'll look at models and I'll do the same thing. But for 91L, we have one model that brings it into Category 1 strength. I don't really want to believe that one because over about that area is not the greatest temperature as far as water goes, and there's a little bit of shear going on currently. But the SHIP model definitely is far-fetched on that. But majority of the model shows things reaching tropical storm strength, but then just falling back down to a tropical depression here. With some one of them shows a stronger or mid-range tropical system or tropical storm with probably about 50-mile-per-hour winds there, and the rest of them are, about 40 to 50 miles an hour. That's the main range. But again, we have that one ship model, I say SHIP, that's going a little crazy there. But it is located, if you took Apalachicola area, it is pretty much squared up with Apalachicola and the tip of the Florida Peninsula there. So it is pretty much moving northwest here, generally northwest. We go down here and look at 99L. Pretty good looking beginnings to this thing here. This one is actually it's saying one of the models is showing it reaching Cat 4 strength. Another one is showing it reaching high in Cat 2 or low in Cat 3. We do have a good bit of models showing it reaching Category 1 here. So I think we could get anywhere from Cat 1 to Tropical Storm for sure on this. Now where it's going to go, we have a good bit of models. They're kind of split here, but we have one coming up as closest to my area here that is coming up into, what is that? That's like Biloxi or New Orleans area. We have another one going into New Orleans, but if I'm correct, yes, this is the pressure. This does not agree with any of the other intensity tracks here. If I'm correct, they're all weak. They're all weaker systems, not even like pretty much tropical depression here. I'm not really sure what's going on with that. But what is that? That was that hurricane over there. Okay, so we look at here's 90L. That's just pretty much done with. That's funny right there, showing it reaching. Actually, hold up. What is that? Okay, I don't know. Scroll back up to the top. Okay. Is that the ship model again on this one? Spiking it up to Cat 1? Yep. Something's going on with the SHIP overhyping right now, so there's no way this storm, how close it is for it to reach that strength. Anyways, time to go look at models. Again, let's take another look at this HWFI, putting it with the Category 4 possible strength, and the DSHP, putting it with the Cat 3 or high in Cat 2. It's right on that line there. I don't really know which is which. Did we miss any? Yeah, this thing's got a big track cone on it right now, so that one over there on the west coast is looking really nice. I got some shear going on there, but that is not what I cover unless it's so bad that it needs to be. Let's go ahead and take a look at our 99L and 91L satellite imagery. Just why not? So we'll load up here. I don't know why it's doing that weird loading thing. Let's see if we can get it to load in here. Very nice looking invest here. Does look to slightly weakened a little bit in the last few scans of it, but I don't think that has anything to do with its potential. So you said the consensus models that NHC uses takes it Cat 1. Yeah, I think that is definitely in consideration. Let's take a look at 91L here. We can. 91L. There is more wider spread convection, not as strong. I would say there's not too much of a change anyway, though. I don't personally have too much faith with the potential in the storm here, but it can still can do anything. It is 2020, so you never know what's going to happen. Who knows, that 90L might form as Cat 5 right before it hits. Just kidding, that will not happen. Take a look at models here. See, we're on the GFS. I'm probably only going to do 850 millibar winds here, just to give a judge of the track that each model is showing here. Oop, did not mean to do the sounding. Okay. Let's see. Tropical Tidbits has been doing this loading thing recently. It used to load up super fast, but now it wants to take forever. See if we can just click through it. Will that work? That works better. Kinda. Let's see here. GFS definitely not hyped. There's not too much going on as far as GFS goes. There's just little bits of low pressure that move up. Apologize for the super loud clicking noise going on here. Can't wait to see some hyped up models. Those are my favorite part. Get you excited about the season. See what the Euro has in store. Euro just, again, weak systems. Well, shows something emerging down there on the bottom right corner. I'm assuming that should be 99L coming up. We'll see as we get closer to the days here. Of course, you know how the models change. Take a look at the CMC. Let's go and wind it back here. Look at North Atlantic. Okay, I will in a second here. As far as CMC goes, again, I'm pretty sure it's 99L moving up. Shows it as a really weak system as well. Time for the nav gem here. It's done some good hype before, but it looks like it has laid off on that for now. Of course, we have to look at our HWRF. I only do HWRF peaks because I can see where it's actually at. Here's 99L from this. This model also has history of hyping pretty well. And of course, why is that so tiny? That's like the size of my pinky, and it already has tropical storm winds. Yeah, what? That's weird, in my opinion. That's pretty small. Let's see. Data's unavailable. Okay. Let's do another HWRF of this here. Ouch. Huh. It's a tiny little storm, I'll tell you that. So yeah, HWRF is on the higher end of the models right now. Let's take a look at HMON. Then I'll do 90L on these models as well. Hurricane Authority, I will do that since I'm finished looking through all these. Actually, let me there. Hold up, what just happened? What just happened? Okay, never mind. 90L is the wrong one. I was thinking something else. Mesoscale? I don't really know why I'm even looking at these in the first place, but okay. Think that did I do HMON? I can't remember. Yeah, I did. HMON puts it as like a tropical storm pretty much here. Yeah, I don't know what I was thinking about 91. I don't know. Forget that part. Okay, the North Atlantic. How do I get the sectors? I typically don't do that. Regions, North Atlantic. There we go. What happened? Hold up. Let me. Maybe it's because I was on the. Okay, there we go. Interesting. Okay. Looks like we're going to have 2 more waves after 99L moves out of the way. Definitely getting loaded up here. That means stay tuned to the channel. Subscribe so you can get more hurricane updates. And stay tuned for hurricane live streams if you have one coming this way. It's my goal to get some good hurricane footage. Put it on with global model. What? Is that the dog? Oh, the dog's asleep. Cookie. Hey. Okay. Anyways. Oh, globe. Duh. Okay. GFS here. I don't know what is with Tropical Tidbits, but it is having loading issues. It's been doing that since, what was it, that one outbreak? Or no, it was since Cristobal it started having issues. Yeah, it looks like it's going to be super active. Look at all that coming off the coast of Africa there. I am ready for this. It's about time. The severe weather, as far as pop-up storms, has decreased. So I'm getting weather deprived here. Let me look. There's no storms right now. Atmosphere sucks. Anyways, CMC. Look at this. Yeah, CMC now on this sector has its. That's 99 right there. Over here with Category 1 wins. Okay, what? In symbol? Oh, why does it take forever? Okay, we're into the clicking thing again. I hate it. Lower dynamic. I'm gonna. Okay, what about lower dynamics? That was my tooth, by the way. You can hear it. It's pretty cool. And symbol member. What's the P? Oh, okay. Okay, what am I looking at here? Interesting. I don't know what I just witnessed, but I just saw colors going around a map. What did I just look at? The icon. Oh, the red. Okay, that makes sense. Yeah, look at icon. Icon also shows 3 low pressures coming up. So, very impressed with the Linux activity at the moment. So, I will be on doing more streams like this. If you like them, subscribe. This video obviously is available for replay. That's the main reason I just do them live, so that you know, I don't gotta screen record and upload. It just makes it a lot easier. So, anything else that I should look at Hurricane Authority? I'm missing a bunch of stuff. I know, like, if you could tell me where's a good shear. You know what? I got pivotal weather. Pivotal weather will do it. Pivotal weather. Look at shear and ocean temps. I think Pivotal has the best shear display. How long have I been doing this? 18 minutes? Okay. Not trying to make it crazy long here. Was it in? I can't remember which one it was in. What? Upper air height wind. Where do I find? There's a bulk shear thing in here. Oh, here it is. From the surface to 500 millibars. This is the one that I have seen before. Why is it? Why did I gotta scroll up? Okay, let's change this to forecast loop. I think this should do the job. I'm pretty sure. What does this thing keeps popping up? It says there's no shear. Okay, according to this, not much going on as far as the Gulf goes. On North Atlantic shear map. That's when. Wait, I was about to type on W. Let's see what comes up. What is this? University. Oh, this is University of Wisconsin. Is it? It's the little crossover looking thing. I could have done this on AWIPS way faster. I just realized that. Where? Okay, there's 4. Current shear. Okay, that's a lot actually. Where? But I think. Okay, 91L is right near between this 20, or actually it's right here where my mouse is on that 10 mile per hour shear, and I believe that is 99 is right here in this 5 to 10 mile per hour shear going on there. That's so many colors, it's messing me up. Okay, point is there's not too much shear. I think we'll be okay. I mean, actually, you're not okay if there's no shear. I guess that's about all I'm concerned with. Again, we'll have so many more updates after this, maybe even once a day, depending on what changes. I'm gonna assume that models are gonna be changing very, very rapidly. That's just how it goes when there's a lot of stuff going on. So, yeah, we have 91L. It's got a 40% chance with 99L that's got a 80 or no 90% chance. So you can pretty much say this thing is going to become tropical cyclone. I'm gonna go ahead and make that conclusion. Not saying it's gonna hit land as one, but it will become one on its journey to land somewhere. I'm going to put it at likely going to be a category 1. I think it's going to make a hook north when it gets about the Florida Peninsula, just when it gets south of it. That's my prediction on that. Matter of fact, see if I can verify that real quick. I need to make sure. I'm just going to do it from here, right here. Wait, did I just say here, right here? I don't know. I said something weird. It looks like a low comes off the east coast, and I feel like that's going to try to drag it up there or there. I don't know. We'll watch it as the models change over the few days. So thanks everybody for watching. Thank you Hurricane Authority for helping me with some stuff on the stream.